Want to say what will not happen in the future? In this video, we'll practice 50 negative sentences in simple future tense, perfect for English speaking and grammar practice. Let's get started. Structure of negative sentences in simple future tense. Subject plus will not or won't plus base form of the verb plus object. To talk about something that will not happen in the future, we use the simple future tense in negative form. The structure is subject plus want plus base form of the verb plus object. Let's break that down. Subject I, you, he, she, it, we, they will not or won't. This shows the action is not going to happen. Base form of the verb, the original form of the verb. Object, the rest of the sentence. For example, I will not go to the party. She won't eat fast food. Now let's practice with 50 useful negative sentences. I will not go to the market tomorrow. She won't cook dinner tonight. They will not come to the party. He won't play football on Sunday. We will not visit the zoo. You won't watch that movie again. It will not rain tomorrow. I won't drink soda anymore. She will not drive to work. They won't attend the meeting. He will not study at night. We won't call them again. I will not eat junk food. She won't wear that dress. They will not win the game. You won't forget your promise. He will not buy a new phone. I won't tell anyone your secret. She will not answer the question. We won't stay up late. He will not help with the project. They won't clean their room. I will not take that risk. She won't join the team. We will not go to the concert. You won't like the food. He will not fix the car. I won't miss the train. She will not dance at the wedding. They won't take the exam. He will not return the book. We won't start the meeting without you. I will not make the same mistake. She won't speak to him. You will not finish on time. They won't leave before 9. He will not paint the house. I won't bring my laptop. She will not apply for the job. We won't go outside if it rains. He will not walk to the school. I won't watch that show again. She will not clean the kitchen. They won't buy that expensive car. We will not open the store early. You won't sleep late tomorrow. He will not attend the class. I won't ask him for help. She will not wear makeup. They won't tell the truth. Well done. You know how to talk about what won't happen in the future. Keep practicing these sentences every day and you'll speak more confidently. Like, comment, and subscribe for more simple grammar lessons. Thank you.